Well, new numbers in statewide for the coronavirus in Mississippi, a record high number of new cases overnight as 397 cases brings Mississippi over the 7,200 mark. It was back to work for Mississippi lawmakers today, returning more than 2 weeks earlier than originally intended. And they went right to work on a bill to take control of more than $1 billion in federal money. 12 News' senior political correspondent Gerald Harris is live at the Capitol with more on this fight. Gerald?
Byron, the bottom line is that this Republican-controlled legislature, they took the power away from a Republican governor to spend $1.25 billion in federal coronavirus relief aid sent to Mississippi. Now, causing a mighty clash, Speaker Gunn and Lieutenant Governor Deborah Holzman led a bill moving the funds under the watch and command of the legislature. They say Coronavirus CARES Act funds are specifically directed for the state to decide where the money goes, not for Governor Tate Reeves.
But the way he wants to do it, or is proposing to do it, is excluding us from the process.
That this was going down the road, and we needed to either decide that we were going to let $1.25 billion be spent by an outside third party on a percentage of the deal, or the legislature was going to appropriate the money.
But Governor Tate Reeves isn't backing down, saying again he does have the emergency powers to allocate the money, and it should be that way for the most efficient use, saying we don't have a week, we don't have a month, the emergency is right now.
In an emergency, the governor is responsible. You cannot manage an emergency by committee. Someone has to be accountable. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. If you're unhappy with our response to the CARES Act, the buck stops with me.
Reeves added legislators care more about power than people. Reeves also wanted to hire a third-party legal and accounting team. The company would get a cut of the $1.25 billion Mississippi has received from the federal government to oversee the coronavirus pandemic relief funds and how they are being spent. Now, Reeves planned to announce some more reopenings for businesses here in Mississippi, but put those off because of that spike in coronavirus cases for today. Now, what happened here at the state capitol was unprecedented and will set a long fight ahead for both legislators and the executive branch. Reporting in downtown Jackson, Gerald Harris, 12 News.
Thank you, Gerald. And while the Republican leadership battles amongst themselves, the Mississippi Black Legislative Caucus says it is time to stop the fighting and do what's right, not only for African Americans, but all Mississippians.
We're asking the leadership of this state, whoever spends the money, let us please not forget about these people who are sick and dying in these nursing homes, in these plants that are on the front line, in the grocery stores doing the stocking. I hadn't heard anybody say something about PPE for them.
Well, according to new numbers from the State Department of Health, nearly 52% of all cases of COVID-19 are African Americans, while 58% of the deaths are African Americans.